Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling.And you know what? Let's go ahead and teach people idioms again, because my favorite segment. It makes you feel so educated. 就是要再教大家谚语，好不好？
教谚语，让你有点水准，
要有内容，对。I love this part. So how about a positive idiom once again? 我们再教一些可能励志一点的这种谚语好了。
好。最近天气比较凉，那我教一个跟太阳有关系的好了。
好，我喜欢太阳。Okay, we're going to teach you an idiom related to the sun. Okay, because I love the sun, and now it's November. It's rare to have the sun out, but what is it?
唔怕強，只怕朝朝睡到日頭風。
日頭。日頭嘛，
对，日頭就是太陽。
太陽日頭都紅了，是不是？Okay, I understand that last part. In that idiom, something about the sun is already out. 前面是講什麼？第一句話是
前面的意思唔怕窮的意思就是
唔怕窮，
不怕窮。
窮 ，OK, right.
大家都怕窮啊。
沒錯，但是不要去怕窮，但要怕的是什麼呢？
对，要怕的是只怕朝朝，就是只怕每天睡到日頭風，就睡到太陽都已經升起來了。
睡到，
对，睡到，
不要一直睡這樣子，對不對？好，要趕快起來。這就跟國語好像講的一句話，就太陽曬到屁股了，對啊，趕快起床了。
對，媽媽都會這樣罵小孩。
All right. Okay, it's a parallel to a Mandarin phrase, which means the sun is shining on your butt already. You should get up and start doing things. 這個其實就是跟國語的太陽曬到屁股一樣的道理，是不是？
對啊，其實就是老人家就講說我們這樣窮一點沒關係，但只要你有志氣，只要你努力打拼一定就會成功的。
Right. Don't fear of poverty. If you're hardworking enough and don't oversleep, you could actually succeed one day, right? So let's hear this explained entirely in English.
Don't fear poverty, just fear sleeping past sunrise. This Hakka saying means, don't be concerned about financial need, but rather about being goal-less or lazy. It encourages young people to cherish ambitions and set goals for themselves in life. Though times may be tough, people must not lose faith, but instead keep walking towards their goals. One must be diligent in order to achieve great things in life.
And Leo, 我们再重复一下这个 idiom. Let's have Leo repeat the idiom one more time.
唔怕窮，只怕朝朝睡到日頭風。
So there you go. Don't be lazy and don't oversleep. One day you will succeed. That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.